today is Sunday, November 12th. Today was basically a late start for me, seeing how I had to do 3 loads of laundry today, and it's pretty much drying in my room right now. So we're gonna grab a bite to eat at the Apgujeong Garosugil area in Gangnam. And most likely I'm probably gonna get dessert, seeing how I can pretty much run on sugar for my meals. I don't know which bakery or cafe I'm gonna head to next, so when we actually head there, I'll show you what tasty treats I'm eating today. On our random eat of the day, we have, I think this is some kind of miso soup. This is Gyeranjjim steamed egg. Here we have Haemul Pajeon, which is a Korean pancake. And you can hear my Gyeranjjim, it's talking to me. And then for our sides, we have kimchi. I think there's like a soy sauce with green onions and sesame seeds. So here we have is our seafood pancake. I dip it in soy sauce. So there's like green onions, there's octopus in here, and then there's flour. This one's really good, it's like extra crispy. So basically what you see is a crispy outside, which is the flour, green onions, and then this one has octopus in it as well. Actually, this one has squid in it as well. The next thing we're gonna dig into is our egg Gyeranjjim. This thing's like so jiggly. So what this is like, it's a super soft steamed egg and there's sesame oil on it, and they put a little bit of green onions on it. And it's perfect since it's a little bit cold outside. Yeah, a nice hot steamed egg. So we just finished dinner, and you know what's next on the list, so I have to get dessert. Even though it's a little bit chilly outside, I'm thinking I want to get patbingsoo at Seobinggo. So everybody that I talked to said you have to try Seobinggo at least once, seeing how it's the main franchise for patbingsoo in Korea. And if you're wondering like what's behind me with all these lights and everything, this is actually a Vietnamese restaurant that I'm standing outside of, so I thought it would be like nice to record from here. But it's actually closed today, so I couldn't actually take a peek. So we're going inside the infamous Sulbing. So there's pretty much a Sulbing on every single floor. I can see pictures here of what I want ahead of time. I really want to get this green tea one, but I'll probably get the melon one. So this Bingsoo has a melon cover, and then once you cut the melon, there's strawberry and snow inside. Here is my phone for scale. This is taller than my phone. My phone is just a little bit wider than this entire melon. I do have to say though, I'm not a fan of these cream cheese chunks in here. I thought it was just strawberry melon. Like cream cheese or cheesecake is okay, but I don't think I like it in my Bingsoo. So we are in Edia Cafe. I ordered my standard nitro coffee to go. For the most part, since we're waiting for the coffee, I'll probably do a review on Sulbing. I think it's like a 3 out of 5. The melon was really good, the ice was okay, the strawberries were below average, and I don't like cheesecake in my Bingsoo. But I probably would have to try like a normal flavor like matcha, green tea, or just plain strawberry just to give it a chance. Everybody that talked to me said I have to try it there at Seoul, but I give it a 3 out of 5 for now. I prefer the Bingsoos that I had at the other cafes, like La Palme. That one was probably the best that I've had here in Seoul so far. And then Thanks Nature Cafe was pretty good too, the one with the sheep.